My name is Bukya Krishna, roll number 20951A2130, Aeronautical Engineering. So today I want to discuss about the eigenvalues of a diagonal matrix or just the diagonal elements of the matrix. So today I want to discuss about this property. So first we need to understand what is diagonalization of matrices. If a square matrix A of order n has n linearly independent eigenvectors, let's say x1, x2 up to xn, the corresponding to n eigenvalues lambda 1, lambda 2 to lambda n respectively, then a matrix P can be found such that P inverse of AP is a diagonal matrix. Proof: given that x1, x2 or x up to xn be eigenvectors of a corresponding to the eigenvalues lambda 1, lambda 2 to lambda n respectively, and these eigenvectors are linearly independent, define P equal to x1, x2 up to xn. Since the n columns of P are linearly independent, mod P is not equal to 0, hence P inverse exists. Consider AP equal to A into x1 into x2 comma x2 up to xn is equal to A into x1 comma A into x2 up to A into xn, that is equal to lambda into x1 comma lambda 2 into x2 comma up to lambda n xn. So lambda x1 into x2 up to xn into lambda 1 0 0 0 0 lambda 2 0 0 up to lambda n, hence that is called as PD, where D equal to diagonal of lambda 1 comma lambda 2 up to lambda n. AP equal to PD. P inverse of AP equal to P inverse of PD. Then we can conclude that P inverse of AP equal to P inverse of P into D. P inverse of AP equal to I into D. I into D equal to D. That is diagonal of lambda 1 comma lambda 2 comma lambda 3 up to lambda n. Hence the theorem is proved. If we look into the example, determine the model matrix P of minus 2 comma 2 minus 3 2 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 2 0. Verify that P inverse of AP is a diagonal matrix. So we need to calculate the characteristic equation of A is mod of A minus lambda into I equal to 0. Then we get the equation lambda minus 5 into lambda plus 3 whole square equal to 0. Then we get the eigenvalues are lambda equal to 5, lambda equal to minus 3 and lambda equal to minus 3. If we solve by using lambda equal to 5, then we can get the eigenvectors x1 equal to 1, 2, minus 1 and x2 equal to 2, minus 1, 0 and x3 equal to 3, 0, minus 1. Then we consider P equal to x1, x2, x3. Then if we do P inverse of AP, then we get D means diagonal matrix equal to 5 0 0 0 minus 3 0 0 0 minus 3. From that we can conclude that the eigenvalues of a matrix are equal to the diagonal elements of the matrix. We can infer another example that the matrix A equal to 1 0 minus 1 1 2 1 2 2 3. So first we need to calculate characteristic equation of A, that is given by mod of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Hence we get the eigenvalues lambda equal to 1, lambda equal to 2, lambda equal to 3. Thus eigenvalues are of A are 1 comma 2 comma 3. If x1 x2 x3 be the components of an eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda, we have A minus lambda into x equal to, by solving lambda equal to 1, we can get the x1 equal to 1 minus 1 0 and x2 equal to minus 2 1 2 and x3 equal to minus 1 1 2. Then if we do P inverse of AP, that is diagonal matrix, then we get 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. So from the above two problems we can conclude that the eigenvalues of the matrix are just the diagonal elements of the matrix. So we can conclude this from the two examples. This is about the eigenvalues of the diagonal matrix are just the diagonal elements of the matrix. Thank you.